Hello everybody, today we will talk about fiber to fabrics. In last year we have studied about fibers. Fibers are of two types, natural fibers and synthetic fibers, yani man-made fibers. Natural fibers we get either from animals or from plants. From animals we get wool and silk, and from plants we get jute, cotton, flax and coir. So we have studied about these. Today we will study about animal fibers. Silk fibers, which we get from cocoon of silk moth, and wool is obtained from fleece, means hair of sheep or yak, goat, camel, llama, alpaca. These animals are found in South America. Mainly wool commonly available in the market is sheep wool, but yak wool is also common, but where? In Tibet and Ladakh, because yak is found in Tibet and Ladakh. Angora wool we get from Angora goats. These Angora goats are found in hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri goats has soft underfur. It is woven into fine pashmina shawls. These are very warm and costly also. The hair of camel is also used for making wool. Now, for good quality of wool, we need good quality fleece. Some breeds of sheep possesses only fine under hair, and their parents are specially chosen to give birth to sheep which will have only soft under hair. So we are choosing the parents for getting offsprings which will have only soft under hair. This is called selective breeding. Selective breeding is the process of selecting parents. We are selecting parents for obtaining special characters in their offsprings. उनके बच्चों में special characters आए, वो भी क्या? Such as soft under hair, because we need good quality wool. Soft under hair in the sheep is termed as selective breeding, because we are selecting parents for getting good wool. Sheep has two types of wool: coarse wool, beard hair, fine soft under hair close to the skin, जो बिल्कुल skin के पास होती है, that is soft wool. This is sheep. These are goat. This is Angora goat, camel, alpaca, llama and yak. Now from fibers to wool. For obtaining wool we have to rear the sheep. So for obtaining wool sheep are reared. इनको पाला जाता है, इनकी देखभाल की जाती है, उनको अच्छे से लुक आफ्टर किया जाता है for getting wool. तो rearing and breeding of sheep, rearing पालना और breeding अच्छे offsprings उनसे लेना जिससे कि अच्छी ऊन मिल पाए. In the hills of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, and in the plains of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat, you have seen shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing. चराने के लिए बड़े बड़े झुंड लेकर ये shepherds इनको लेके जाते हैं. Sheep are herbivores. They eat only plants and plant products and prefer grass and leaves. But rearers जो हैं, जो इनको पालते हैं, they also feed them on a mixture of, जिसमें क्या क्या होता है? Pulses, corn, ज्वार, oil cakes and minerals. Oil cakes. Material left after taking out oil from the seeds. Seed से oil extract करने के बाद जो material बचा, that is oil cakes, and it is used for feeding to cattle, sheep, goats, etc. When winter comes, in the winter, sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves, grains, and dry fodder. These sheep are of different breeds. They are of different breeds and they will have different fleece. The quality of fleece will be different. Quality of hair will be different. Their quality will be different. Some Indian breeds of sheep are Lohi, Rampur Bushire, Nalli, Bakharwal, Marwadi, Pattanwadi. Quality of wools. Lohi gives good quality wool. Rampur Bushire gives brown fleece. Nalli gives carpet wool. Bakharwal for woolen shawls. Marwadi gives coarse wool, rough wool. Pattanwadi gives wool for hosiery. This Lohi is found in Rajasthan and Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh, Rampur Bushire. Nalli, Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab, plains of Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. Jammu and Kashmir, in Jammu and Kashmir, Bakharwal is there. Marwadi and Pattanwadi, both are from Gujarat. So we get fleece from all these breeds and these are of different texture and quality. Now processing fibers into wool. After getting these fibers, we have to make wool. But between this, the wool which is used for knitting sweaters or for weaving shawls is the final or finished product of a long process which involves many steps. And step number 1 is shearing. Shearing is removal of fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is called shearing. It is done by machines similar to those used by barbers to shave or cutting the hair. Hair are removed during the hot weather. Why? Why during the hot weather? If these fleece is removed during winter, so how they will tolerate winter? We know air is trapped between the hair and air is bad conductor of heat. It does not allow cool air outside to reach the skin of these sheep in winter. So shearing we do in summers, in hot season. Shearing does not hurt the sheep because uppermost layer of the skin is dead. It does not hurt when you get a haircut or when anyone shaves. Similarly, these sheep do not get hurt when shearing is done. जब इनके बाल काटे जाते हैं either by machine or scissors, they don't get hurt. Now we have get the fleece. What will next? Step 2 is scouring. In scouring is actually washing. The sheared skin with fleece, with hair is thoroughly washed in the tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. Nowadays scouring is done by machines. Step 3 is sorting. Chhatna. The hair skin is sent to a factory where hair of different textures are separated or sorted. Different textures are separated or sorted. Next comes the step The 4. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. Burrs. आपने देखा होगा in winters when we wear sweaters or shawls, small fluffy things appear on the sweater, जिसको हम रोए से जो हो जाते हैं गोल गोल, they are called burrs. So similarly, burrs are removed from these fibers. अब burrs remove करने के बाद the fibers are scoured again. दोबारा से इसको स्काउड किया जाता है, धोया जाता है एंड ड्राइड, और फिर इसको ड्राई किया जाता है. दिस इज द वूल आफ्टर ड्राइंग विच इज रेडी टू बी ड्रॉन इनटू फाइबर्स. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज डाइंग, कलर करना. द फाइबर्स कैन बी डाइड इन वेरियस कलर्स एज द नेचुरल फ्लीस इज ब्लैक, ब्राउन और वाइट. जब ये फ्लीस जो जानवर से ली जाती है उसका कलर ब्लैक, ब्राउन और वाइट ही होता है, तो वी डाई इट इनटू डिफरेंट कलर्स. देन 6th स्टेप इज रीलिंग. द फाइबर्स आर स्ट्रेटन्ड, कॉम्ड एंड रोल्ड इनटू यार्न्स, और यार्न्स में इनको कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है, रोल कर दिया जाता है, रोलिंग कर दी जाती है. और उसके बाद द लॉन्गर फाइबर्स, वी गेट लॉन्गर फाइबर्स एंड वी गेट शॉर्टर फाइबर्स. Longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters and shorter fibers are spun, बुने जाते हैं, weave किए जाते हैं, and woven into woolen clothes. woolen fabrics के लिए we use shorter fibers. अब यहाँ एक स्टेप आया था sorting. sorting करते हैं लोग, वहाँ पे sorting तो कुछ लोग करते हैं, उसको जो सेपरेट करते हैं. And these sorters sometimes get infected by a bacterium called anthrax. And anthrax gives a disease, is a fatal blood disease to these sorters, and it is called sorters disease. So these steps we have read: shearing, scouring, sorting, and then removing burrs, dyeing, reeling, and finally weaving. Here you can see shearing of sheep, scouring, washing. This is washing by machines, and finally rolling into yarn. Okay, thank you.